You will need to remove the wheel well liners to access the vent valve. For additional assistance with that task, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. This picture shows the passenger side front wheel well with the fender liner removed. Notice the large black EVAP charcoal canister. The red arrow is the actual vent valve. Incoming vent line from the gas tank is the yellow arrow. The line out to the charcoal canister, blue arrow. The one-way check valve, green arrow. And where the fuel vent line enters the charcoal canister is illustrated by the purple arrow. Begin by disconnecting the lines, green arrows, attached to the top and bottom of the EVAP canister, the electrical connection, which easily unclips, red arrow, and the 10mm nut, yellow arrow, holding the canister in place. Now to remove the unit, gently pull it forward until it comes free. Next, disconnect the top two gas vapor lines, green arrows, on the fuel vent valve by squeezing in the tabs on each line. The fuel line vent valve is attached to the fuel neck by a metal bracket. To loosen it, open the gas cap door, remove the gas cap, and remove the 10mm nut holding the bracket to the chassis, yellow arrow. Next, loosen the black plastic piece surrounding the fuel neck by pushing in the 4 clips. Insert photo, 3 visible and indicated by red arrows. From behind it, inside the fender well. Now from inside the wheel well, remove the remaining 2 10mm nuts and subsequent electrical ground wire, insert photo, holding the vent valve to the fuel filler neck, yellow arrows. You can also rotate the bracket for easier removal. This picture shows the fuel line vent valve removed from the filler neck. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.